Hi, Sasa. So guys, this is Eastleigh and you know that I have Eastleigh. So I'll be taking you around. It's on a weekend. So let me take you around
Beba ingieni mami, harakisheni. Nikomba kukalia mami, tusimama. Abandani. Yabere. Naja, hapo sana. Ona.
So guys, today is very congested. As you know, it's on a weekend and people are doing shopping. So let's keep on walking around it and show you around. This is how this looks like here. You know guys, I love Eastleigh. The place is so good. So I know it's been a while guys without coming to Eastleigh, and I thought why not, I should come and show you around what has been taking place around Eastleigh. Yeah, let me know what you think about Eastleigh.
Look at this side.
Yeah. We have beautiful malls there.
Where's the camera? That we no record.
Kuja to record. So guys, as you know that Eastleigh is full of Somali people, guys. Yeah, it's a commercial hub. That's why the place is full of Somali people. So guys, let me take you along. Let's keep on walking around. Today I'm alone. Today I'm alone in the streets of Eastleigh. And see people are shopping.
support.
So let's keep on walking, guys. So I don't know a lot of people here, guys, so I should be very, very careful. I should take care of myself. Yeah. So guys, let's keep on walking around. Let's keep on walking around, guys. Sorry for that noise, guys. You know, I'm walking and the streets are so busy, so I have to keep on checking around, guys, so that yeah. So let's keep on walking. Remember, I'm in the streets of Eastleigh, and if you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? If you have not subscribed, please subscribe on the video page. This is Eastleigh.
Unabagenua ama unauza watu?
Hapana. Sawa.
Tunafanana. Hapo nikata kadi. Hivyo mimi black kama natural.
Hapana. Nakuja.
Usini watch. Nani watch? Hebu ni watch kidogo.
Mimi si watch. Nafanya vitu za YouTube.
Vituko.
Vitu za YouTube.
Siadi mimi.
Fanya vitu.
Siache. Alai.
Wewe ni mkajo huku.
Si hivyo.
Sawa basi.
Lakini usiweke.
Nisiweke wapi? Ataweka hiyo tukiwa wawili.
Usiweke ndani.
Haya poa. So guys, some people here are very social and I love them. I love it. I love how people are social here. How they interact with people. Guys, the view from here is so good. Look at the malls, they are so beautiful. So guys, let's keep on walking.